When most people think of courtrooms, they imagine solemn judges, formal lawyers, and nervous defendants. Yet, when Cardi B stepped into court, the atmosphere quickly shifted from serious to almost comedic. Known for her outspoken personality, unfiltered honesty, and animated expressions, the rapper turned her trial into a social media spectacle. Clips from the hearing spread across the internet within hours, with many netizens declaring that they couldn't stop laughing at her reactions, remarks, and mannerisms. In an era where entertainment and reality blur, Cardi B's trial became another moment where fans found humor, relatability, and even memes in what was supposed to be a tense legal process. Cardi B is not new to the spotlight, but her ability to bring humor into unexpected situations is unmatched. During the trial, she reacted with exaggerated facial expressions whenever prosecutors presented evidence, often rolling her eyes, gasping dramatically, or smirking at the seriousness of minor claims. Spoke in her candid style, cracking jokes under her breath that reporters caught, making even courtroom attendees chuckle. Playfully argued with certain statements, using sarcasm that reminded fans of her interviews and social media posts. These small moments gave the trial an unexpected comedic rhythm, and for netizens, it felt like watching a live reality show instead of a courtroom battle. As soon as footage and transcripts leaked online, the internet did what it does best, turned serious proceedings into viral comedy. On Twitter, X, hashtags like #CardiBCourtroom and #CourtComedy began trending. TikTok creators edited her funniest courtroom reactions into short skits, adding background laughter and captions like, "Me when my mom asks about the dishes." Instagram meme pages circulated still images of Cardi's expressions with relatable captions, making her trial the talk of the week. Within 48 hours, these clips had accumulated millions of views and thousands of comments, many users admitting they were following the trial not for justice but for laughs. Fans laughed in solidarity, saying Cardi B was simply being herself. "She's the same in interviews, lives, and now in court," one fan commented. Some critics felt uneasy, arguing that treating a legal matter like a comedy show undermined the seriousness of the justice system. Others admired her boldness, suggesting that her humor might have been a coping mechanism to handle stress and pressure. Despite divided opinions, one truth stood out: Cardi B's trial became less about the charges and more about the viral personality she displayed under oath. Cardi B's public persona is built on authenticity. Unlike many celebrities who carefully control their image, she embraces her flaws, uses humor to connect, and never hesitates to speak her mind. That approach carried into the courtroom. This authenticity resonates deeply with netizens. Relatability. Her reactions mirrored how ordinary people might feel if they were placed under such scrutiny. Entertainment value. Even in a high-stakes situation, she brought charisma and comedy. Meme potential. Every eyebrow raise, side eye, or quick comeback instantly became material for the internet. It's the same raw energy that turned her into a global star, and now, it has transformed her trial into viral entertainment. The case also raises bigger questions. Should a trial be a source of laughter? Does turning legal proceedings into memes trivialize the law? Or does it make the system more accessible to younger audiences who otherwise wouldn't care about courtrooms? Cardi B's trial shows how celebrity culture has reshaped the public's relationship with justice. For many, the law is distant and intimidating. But when a celebrity like Cardi enters that space, her humor and humanity turn it into something familiar and approachable, even if unintentionally. The case also raises bigger questions. Should a trial be a source of laughter? Does turning legal proceedings into memes trivialize the law? Or does it make the system more accessible to younger audiences who otherwise wouldn't care about courtrooms? Cardi B's trial shows how celebrity culture has reshaped the public's relationship with justice. For many, the law is distant and intimidating. But when a celebrity like Cardi enters that space, her humor and humanity turn it into something familiar and approachable, even if unintentionally. International audiences joined the laughter. In countries far removed from Cardi B's legal battles, netizens still shared her clips, adding translations, dubbing, or localized memes. She became not just an American courtroom sensation but a global internet icon of comic relief. This highlights how humor transcends language. Cardi's body language, dramatic pauses, and exaggerated tone communicated universally. People didn't need to understand the legal jargon to get the joke. Cardi B's trial may have been a serious moment in her personal and legal life, but to millions online, it was comedy gold. The way she carried herself, bold, funny, and unfiltered, reminded fans why they love her in the first place. While some criticized the laughter as inappropriate, others celebrated it as a refreshing reminder that even in the most rigid settings, personality shines through. Cardi B once again proved that she doesn't just perform on stage, she performs everywhere, even in court. And as netizens continue to share her clips, one thing is certain. Cardi B's courtroom moments will be remembered not just for their legal implications but for the laughter they brought to millions around the world.